Hello and welcome. Today, I want to tell you about my visit to a coffee shop. While I tell my story, I'll also explain some easy English words. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Yesterday morning, I went to my favorite coffee shop near my apartment. A coffee shop is a small place where you can buy coffee, tea, and snacks. The smell of fresh coffee filled the air. It was warm and cozy inside. The barista, that's the person who makes coffee, smiled and said, "Hi, what can I get for you?" I said, "Hi, one cappuccino, please." A cappuccino is a type of coffee with milk and foam. Then I added, "and a chocolate muffin." A muffin is a small sweet cake. While I waited, I looked around. People were reading, talking, and working on their laptops. Soft music played in the background. The smell of coffee made me feel relaxed and happy. When my coffee was ready, I sat by the window. Sunlight came through the glass, and I watched people walking outside. I took a sip. Sip means to drink slowly. It was hot, creamy, and delicious. I opened my book and started reading. No phone, no noise, just peaceful time with my coffee. So, yesterday I went to a coffee shop, ordered a cappuccino and a muffin, and enjoyed some quiet time by myself. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite drink? Do you like coffee, tea, or juice? Write it in the comments and practice your English. Remember, less fear, more English. See you next time.